Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. You know the GA2100 has no Bluetooth, so you're going to set it manually. First, take the watch off and lay it face up on a flat surface so buttons aren't accidentally pressed. Once done, press and hold the adjust button for about 3 seconds. The digital time will start to blink. This shows you're in time set mode. You do this because the watch uses internal oscillators and manual inputs to ensure analog and digital hands sync. Now you'll set the digital reference, which the analog hands will match later. Press mode to cycle through seconds, hour, minute, year, month, and day. Each press moves to the next field. Use the forward and back buttons to change values. If a value must jump far, hold the button to advance quickly. Make sure you select 12-hour or 24-hour format correctly, because that affects AM/PM and hour alignment. When the digital readout is exact, you're ready to sync the hands. To finish, switch to hand adjust mode. Press and hold adjust until you see HSET or the hands start to move. This lets you align the analog hands to match the digital time you just set. Use forward and back to advance the minute and hour hands. Make sure the seconds hand returns to 12 when you confirm. Once aligned, press adjust to exit. If the hands won't center or the watch behaves oddly, try a power reset by removing and reconnecting the battery or seek service. This corrects mechanical misalignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.